We're here at the South by Southwest premiere for Chili Finger. You guys, we're going to chat with producers, directors, and stars of this film, so let's get to talking. All right, two silly questions for you. First up, obviously this film is based off a finger allegedly being found in a chili bowl. What's something that you would hope that's kind of random to find in your chili?
What I hope to find in my chili instead of that? Maybe a hot dog that looks like some chili, or looks like a finger.
Looks like a finger.
Maybe a fondant finger. Maybe some sparkly tomato sauce. I don't know. I'm coming up with what I can.
No, I love it. Okay, and then what's your favorite way to have chili? Like, what's going in your bowl when you're making it?
Ooh, well, I've recently had to stop eating chili because the tomatoes hurt my stomach. So yesterday at the food truck, I ran over and secretly snuck a Caesar chicken wrap. But when I usually have chili, I just love a classic chili, good seasoning, lots of beans, lots of meat. Yeah, I'm easy to please.
Yeah. And then finally, what was it like for you working on this film?
It was an absolute joy. I've been spending the last 15 years of my career trying to make a movie like this, and I'm really happy to be here.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.